this is Peggy from the Sarah Mesa Library. I'm here to share a very fun craft with you. Keeping yourself busy with these types of activities is relaxing and perfect for the whole family. So let's get started. The original instructions said to use a canvas, but I chose to use items that most people already have around the house. These are the items that you'll need. 2 pieces of cardboard cut the same size, 6.5 by 6.5, a glue gun and tape, scrapbook paper, magazines, or even wrapping paper, anything with a nice design on it, scissors, a pencil, and a black marker. A bird pattern, you can choose to look for one online or you can pre-make your own as long as it fits on a 4 by 2.5 rectangle. Glue sticks or regular glue, whichever one you have at home. Any kind of printing paper, 8.5 by 11 inches, and it doesn't have to be white, it can be any color you want. Here are some examples from other artists to help you get your creative juices flowing. So now we're going to get our cardboard that we cut out of our recycled boxes, and we're going to put 1 glue drop in each corner. Then we'll gently put one on top of the other and make sure that they're lined up. Once your glue is dry, go ahead and lay your cardboard on top of the printing paper. Next, go ahead and cover your cardboard. Think of it as wrapping a present. And on the corners, make sure you do a nice little triangle. And there you go, there's your canvas. Now take your bird pattern and trace it around your paper pattern. And do the same for your leaves. Then all you have to do is cut out your birds and your leaves. So now that we have our patterns cut out, we're going to start with our bird. And we're going to place them somewhere on our canvas, just like that. Now we're going to begin drawing the branch. I'm going to start on one side, go up around the bird, finish up with a swirl. Now that we've done all our branches and our swirls, we're ready to go ahead and begin tracing with a black marker. You can always go back and erase the pencil lines. Okay, our last step is to go ahead and glue our patterns on our canvas. And there we go, all done. Here's your bird on a branch craft. Thank you for joining me in doing this craft. I hope you enjoyed it.